Hello friends, in previous session we have discussed about some training institutions which work in collaboration with those developmental banks, those industrial banks, and in this session we will discuss about an initiative by SIDBI and EDI, that is Entrepreneurship Development Institution of India. SIDBI had a program which was aided by World Bank and other multinational agencies, and this is how many developmental banks work by collaborating with other national and international agencies, especially if they want to influence a large number of people. They want to help an entire community, so they collaborate with other agencies to increase the influence of the power of their programs. So in this program, they aided with World Bank and other multinational agencies. This program was for Chennai Leather Cluster, which makes up 60% of the total leather industry in India. And this Chennai Leather Cluster gives job to more than 40,000 workforce. So under this initiative, SIDBI along with EDI, that is Entrepreneurship Development Institution, reached out to all the almost every entrepreneurs under this cluster and told them about the beneficial schemes, made them aware about various financial products, and also assured them that they can reach out to EDI whenever they need anything. In case of any technical help, they can reach, or any sort of expert if they need any sort of expert advice, they can definitely reach at any time to EDI. So under this initiative, EDI provided them energy audit, which helped in power conservation in their factories. EDI also provided IT training to their employees, and EDI also helped them in technological upgradation. In this way, SIDBI and EDI, by collaborating with each other, helped them in every manner, financially, technically, and also by giving expert advice. So this is one of the ways that how this industrial banks and these training institutions work to create entrepreneurship ambience, to impart the right skills on the workforce. And recently Rajasthan government has also came into an agreement with SIDBI to create new avenues to bring more opportunities for the MSME sector in the state. So in this way, SIDBI signs MOU with different state governments for the growth and development of MSME sector in the respective states. And yes, those training institutions are always there, because as we have discussed in one of the sessions, that only finance, networking are not enough to start any entrepreneurial journey, to run a enterprise successfully. Skills are definitely very important, and technological upgradation is the need of 21st century. Friends, you will get the news clippings of what we have discussed now, and you will come to know that in a more deep manner that how SIDBI and these training institutions are working if you will go through those news clippings. So I would request you all that please go through those news clippings, please. So that's all for this session, my dear friends. See you in the next session. Till then, take care. Goodbye.